Apologies for the fuck up.
This is now going.
Hello, everybody!
Staying perfectly still.
Shit, I didn't stand perfectly still. Sorry. Perfect. We can't see a single detail of your face, so that's ideal.
That really went up your jacksie then. Did I do that?
No, you'd enjoy it.
Okay, chaps, it's a little song for you.
How splendid. Splendid indeed. Well, terribly splendid. Yes.
A pair of knickers in a London taxi. The smell reminds me of a horse's jacksie.
Well, how novel.
Yeah.
How novel. How terribly, how interesting. How terribly Dada.
Yes.
It's Dada. It's Dada art.
Remember last year when your mother and I went to Nottingham and we had to come for a week and we had to come back for a few days? Bollocks. I don't think so, Stephen. Do you remember when your mother and I went to Nottingham for a week? We had to come home after a few days. Fuck.
Yeah, Skegness. Skegness?
Nottingham.
He didn't want to go to Skegness.
Skegness is a shithole.
Fucking shithole, yeah.
That's some place we'll never be allowed back in.
Aye.
How terribly, terribly perfect. Old Greta, Bodily dance.
It's alright. Right, let's screw it up again,
Right,
chaps.
let's screw it up again. Yes, yes. Shit. It's left first. Use the vernacular term.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Sir, I'm going wrong, sir.
And what is this being? What it is being is that? No. Terribly sorry, sir. We British must be sticking up for our fucking standards, isn't it?
It is two left.
Two left.
Two left.
Two left. Not one left, but two.
Two left, then two right. Two together.
Okay.
Go on, go.
Brothers? You're Brother Percival, aren't you?
Look, it's written.
Fuck. Yes. I'm still running. What am I doing?
What a fucking wanker.
Bugger off. This beard, it don't half itch. Oh, it's made of Fenella Fielding's binge hair.
Cut.
And you're quite happy to leave that
Right,
there.
keep the minch on the hat or dropped it off now.
Yeah, just leave it there.
Yes,
Or better still, just hold it in your hand so we can see that it's.
You see that you've still got your minge.
Cool.
Yeah, you don't know where I've had that, do you?
I'm not going there.
Fenella Fielding. Yeah.
I'm not going there.
Nice.
Yeah. Sorry, I've been using it as a pubic wig for the last few days.
So that's why all those little crabs running around the yard then. I thought it was all a bit full of life. Full of wildlife. Almost one jumped out there. It's on my lap.
Well, crabs do go sideways.